Welcome to Belly Breath. Begin by finding a position that feels perfectly comfortable for you. Allow your body to settle. Gently close your eyes and turn your awareness inward, toward your breath and your body. Let each sip of air feel rich and satisfying. Trust yourself and what feels right to you in this moment. That's all that truly matters. Now is a beautiful time to practice aligning with what feels right to your body, to your breath, to your being. Let that be enough for you right now, even if only for this practice. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale completely, letting yourself settle deeper into stillness. Adjust your position if needed, so that your body feels balanced, open, and at ease. Let your muscles soften. Feel yourself becoming both heavy and light, grounded, yet free. All is well, dear one, and it always has been. Even when the world around you seems uncertain, even when appearances seem to say otherwise, all is unfolding for your highest and most loving good. What if, somehow, beyond human understanding, everything really is working out perfectly? Not just for you, but for everyone. Across all timelines, across all experiences. Let that thought settle gently into your body. You have the ability to sense truth within you. Try this. Think of something you know is true, something simple, certain, and notice how it feels in your body. Does truth feel light, fresh, easy? Now gently ask your body this question: what if everything is indeed working out for my highest good? Notice how your body responds, maybe with warmth, openness, or ease. Even if it defies logic, what if it's still true? What if what we've called logical is simply a story? One that gave us the experience of duality, but not the full truth of love. Take a deep breath in and exhale softly. Let your muscles release even more now. Be gentle with yourself. There is nothing to fix, nothing to prove, nothing to do. Just be here with you. What if these gentle, good feelings, the ones that defy reason, are actually the truth? What if peace, ease, and trust are your natural state? Bask in that good feeling for a few breaths. Enjoy being with yourself, whole, complete, enough. Now ask your body softly, what do you want me to know today? Listen, not with your mind, but with your body. Receive the message through sensations, through subtle knowing. Trust what comes. Trust you. Take a deep, nourishing breath in. Hold it gently at the top. And exhale however you wish, powerfully or softly, allowing your body to release fully. When your breath returns to its natural rhythm, begin to bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch if it feels right. Move slowly with presence. Take your time returning. And when you're ready, open your eyes gently, carrying this peace and trust with you into the rest of your day. All is well, and it always has been.